In this video, I'm going to show you how you can troubleshoot Impulse app. So if you are experiencing any challenge with this app, maybe the app is too slow or it can't open or it keeps on crashing, then let me show you how you can solve this problem. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, so there are quite a number of steps you can take to troubleshoot your app. In the first method, we are going to access the app info page for us to troubleshoot it. To do that, it's quite simple. Just head over to settings, and from settings, go to apps, and under apps, look for this option called manage apps or all apps, and then tap on it. So for this tutorial, I'm using a Redmi smartphone. However, this process should be more or less the same on any other Android smartphone. From the list, scroll down until you find your Impulse app. And as you can see, mine is here. Alternatively, you can just search for your app using the search app option on top here. Once you found it, tap on it and we are on the app info page. However, if you can't access this app info page, then let me show you a shortcut method to get here. For that, go back to your app and then long press on it and you should now see app info. From here, we want to go ahead and clear the app data, more especially cache data. So if I go to storage here, you can see the breakdown of data on this app. Of importance is this cache data. So when you talk of cache data, these are just small files that your app normally stores whenever you use it to enhance user experience. To clear them, go ahead and tap on this because accumulation of these files might cause your app to malfunction. So choose clear cache and then OK. Then restart your smartphone. As you can see, the cache data has been cleared, and open your app to see if this has solved the problem. So if that didn't work, then proceed to the next method, and that is clear all data on this app info page again. And this time around, I'll clear all the data. Go ahead and log in afresh to see if your app is now up and running. However, should you still experience any challenge, then you need to go ahead and look for any update from Google Play Store or App Store and find out if there is an update. So I'll go to Google Play Store and then search for Impulse here, and here it is. So should you find that there is an update, it means you have been using an outdated version of Impulse app that might contain bugs. Go ahead and tap on update to update it. Once you have updated it, now go ahead and open to start using it. However, should this app not work, then you might want to go ahead and uninstall it and then install it afresh. So by using any of these four methods, your app now should be up and running without any issue. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.